Comment Cocktails, Dan, Ian, and Derek are going to make for you a drink. Oh, this is Black Manhattan. That's what we're doing.
Yes.
This is the Black Manhattan. It's like a regular Manhattan, but it's black. And this is why. 2 ounces of bourbon or rye. Ryes are typically going to be Manhattans, I believe, so we're using rye. 1 ounce of Amaro Nonino. 1 dash of Angostura bitters. A dash of orange bitters. And I guess what really makes it black is there's really nothing. It's just that you're using an Amaro instead of a sweet vermouth.
I'm surprised because they used Amaro Nonino because it's so light.
So here's why. The original drink recipe
it uses Averna, right?
calls for Averna, right? So this is going to create more of a dark color to it. The one I found online called for Amaro Nonino, and I was like, I swear we've made a Black Manhattan. So I went and I found the one I originally did in 2017. I think it was at the bar. And we were using Averna. So this would give you, I mean, it's still dark. I mean, it's still brown, but it's definitely darker.
Yes.
So that's going to make it more of a Black Manhattan. Whatever. It's a tasty Manhattan is all that matters. But you can use
pretty much
Averna.
how I make all my Manhattans. Like for now.
Well, the thing is, like...
Tomorrow?
Yeah, because I'm not a big vermouth person.
No,
vermouth is nice and cheap. You can buy a bottle of vermouth for like $10.
Sure.
It's true.
Yeah, so it's an easy thing to make. So if you don't have
a $10 vermouth kind of sucks, though.
No, I like. Well,
like
sometimes I'll use a sherry.
Antica?
Sometimes I'll use a sherry, like a.
But that's a different. You get a different name when you do that, though.
It's still good though.
I think it's like I don't know what they call it, but there's a name for when.
I've never done it with sherry.
Yeah, I use the Harvey's Bristol cream a lot of times. Which is
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That I haven't tried.
It's a delicious sherry.
I would like to use the Amaro Nonino
Julep. There it is.
over this because this is like more bold, and that's
definitely more bold.
I would prefer that. This is almost like medicine, and that's more like the Amaro I would like. Get out of here. See that fruit fly trying to get into my fruit.
See, it's just not as dark.
Right.
Fruit flies do like fruit.
Yeah, they do. They like bitters too.
Only for like. Found that out.
Yeah. Not a fan. They destroy your bitters because you don't want to eat them after they're all in there. Dead.
Dead.
Extra protein, buddy.
Well, it's so stupid that you would all go into something. Let's all go die together. Yay.
Okay. When you only live for like...
There's a reason they're not the dominant species on the planet.
Yes.
Yeah, we don't do stuff like that.
No, we do other stupid shit.
Yeah.
Some of us are just that stupid.
But there's many of us that aren't, and as long as there's more of those, then we're fine.
Sure.
Our executive producers, Charles Lubanji, Peter Fastenau, and Danny Morris. They are our Patreon subscribers. You can go to patreon.com/CMC if you'd like to support the show. I know you probably don't, so you can hit the join button because, like, that's cool. Just give me money. Either way, it's fine. It helps.
Drink one or 5 of those.
The problem I have is people like to go, can you review X, Y, and Z? I'm like, if I buy everything everybody wants to review, like, just
send it to us.
You're not helping me, dude. Stupid fruit fly.
It's good. I think I like it more with the Averna.
Just because it has a stronger...
It's just flavor. Like, I like that, like, bite of, like, it's just...
Do you want me to make one with the Averna to compare it, or do you know what it's like? You've had it.
Yeah, I drink a lot.
You do?
I drink a lot of them.
You do this a lot?
Averna is coffee, right? It has a coffee flavor.
It's got to stop.
Yeah, it's definitely a much stronger flavor than...
Do they like a pro, Derek? It's got to stop her. Done that once, twice in your day. Thinking back to college days, but...
You open up so easy.
There's only 2
He doesn't
options.
have a big pipe, though.
You can either get angry when somebody's going to make fun of you, or you got to double
You got to
down.
lean into it.
Yeah.
You just lean into it.
That's usually what he does.
Yeah.
They fall down.
It goes with the hand motion.
You choke a little bit. That's pretty tasty, actually. Not too bad.
I mean, this is good.
This has a little more coffee flavor to it. Or not. I don't
I
want
like
to say
the
coffee
Amaro
flavor.
better
It tastes
than-
like it goes with, like it would pair with coffee. It's almost like a biscotti or something. I don't know. It has like that flavor that tastes like some sort of after dinner drink would. Where this tastes, this is fine. It's just it
Like
doesn't have that
like
same
an
character.
anisette, like a sambuca type ish flavor.
I didn't get any.
It's definitely more
I would.
like herbaceous than.
Oh, that's totally like an espresso.
Yeah, but
it's an herbal espresso.
Yes. Yeah.
It's so good though.
That's why I like Amaro.
Yeah.
This one's definitely. I like my Manhattans with that, like a little bit stronger of an Amaro.
Yeah, I can see that.
This is good though.
It's good.
This is good.
You know what it is? This is good, but it's not defining. Like it.
Right.
There's
still like
the Amaro,
like a Manhattan.
Nonino, and the other drinks
Yes.
were more defining. Like in the other one we made, which I can't remember, it was like 5 minutes ago. But like this one,
it was the first one we made, I think.
Yeah,
Right?
it was.
And this one's just the busted pipe. That's what it's called. I'll put a link. This one, it's fine, but it tastes kind of like any other Amaro drink. Like I still would rather have the Bully Boy and the whatever Amaro.
Yeah.
I think the Averna is a little sweeter than the Amaro Nonino as
Yes,
well, right?
yeah.
So it's probably going to substitute for that sweet vermouth a little bit easier.
Yeah, this is a
Right?
little bit boozy.
With a distinctive flavor, the herbal coffee type of flavor. Which is
This
really
has
good.
Well,
definitely.
because even the vermouth kind of has that like.
It has a spice to it.
Yeah, it has like that distinctive like taste. That
it gives it a different flavor that's
Yeah.
not this.
Yeah.
Like it's just one more flavor. Because it's a very simple drink. So you need to have a couple different things kind of.
this is a little more flat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I would go with the Averna
I mean, I still drink it. But.
versus the Amaro Nonino for this specific drink.
You're not gonna throw it out.
Really, you want to have both. That way you can change the recipe depending on what type you're making. Making boom, you hit with that. And then this drink, because it's so simple, I
You
think
feeling spicy?
the
you
boldness of the Averna kind of is needed to prop it up a little bit.
use that. I looked up on the screen. All I saw was sprinkled nuts, and I was like, "What is that?"
Skip the marshmallows, sprinkled nuts. Hey, whatever you're gonna do with your sprinkled nuts.
It's good advice for life right there.
Yeah. Speaking of advice for life, I have a
that's
coupon
good, though.
code, Amaro. Save 20% off at AwesomeDrinks.com till December 15th, 2022. So you can get yourself these Nick and Nora glasses right
They're
there.
beautiful.
We advise you take advantage of that.
Yep.
Christmas coming up.
Yeah.
It's time to buy some gifts for some people.
Don't serve your friends with shitty glasses.
No, that's true. All of those things are true.
Yes.
And don't be like me. Like all of my Nick and Nora glasses are just my defects, so they get cracks.
Or they're at my house, so.
Which are also the defects.
Yeah.
They tend to be truth speakers.
Huh?
Where's truth speakers?
Yeah, so totally.
Yep. We only speak
Which
the
is
truth.
exactly what a liar would say.
Oh, yeah.
Exactly.
So over
But now you
there,
don't know.
there's a sidebar.
We're made of
More
mystery.
Amaro drinks, more whiskey drinks.
I can't tell you
Watch
that.
all those. I think we're done. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.